What we got to do today is we're taking the 420 backhoe. We got a new cutting edge put on our box blade for it. Right now we just have the regular bucket on it. So we got to go down to the welding shop that since it is a custom box blade, we had to get a custom cutting edge built onto that. And again, it is really cold this morning, so machine was plugged in. I'll run a little bit of the glow plugs on it, and she fires up. Okay, well, I'm gonna let that warm up a little bit until we take it down the road. It's not that far of a drive. It's about a 10-minute drive down to go get the blade, but this is a quick connect on it, so we'll just pop this off when everything's warm and we'll be on our way. Just go around and have a look at these snow piles. We have a 450 Komatsu loader. We brought it in and moved some of the piles around to the front just to create more room. But I mean, these piles they're getting pretty big. This is the back lot area. It's all outdoor storage back here. People park RVs and large areas, over 50-foot spaces. This is our center pile. We removed that already once this year, so we had about 3 times that amount there already. There's a pile all the way down there, about 3 times the size as that. And this pile started all the way at that back fence, and it's now all the way out here. A couple people are saying that, you know, if we got a blower, we could blow the snow over. And yes, that would work, but that property over on that side is not ours. It's a cornfield, and we don't want to obviously put, you know, snow over there or contaminate the soil for their next year's harvest. So we just we have dump trucks, so we'll load up the snow and we'll haul it out to a snow dump, registered snow dump, and just move around as much as we can. I'm gonna try to avoid bringing in the loader. I'm gonna try to avoid bringing in the dump trucks, and hopefully just shift some snow around, and then when it comes to thawing up time, then we'll move some. So what we're gonna do is unhook this front bucket, drive down the road, go get new bucket, and go from there. Basically, this is a quick connect system, so there's a button in the cab that I press, and it releases pins that lock down into that hole. Basically, these pins kind of push out and lock into this frame, and whenever you go to release it, the pins just slide out and you can release the bucket. But first, I have to show you my favorite feature of this backhoe, and that is the heated seat. It is awesome. All right, so we got this blade put back on, and it looks pretty good. So that's it there. It's all new bolts on it, and it's pretty aggressive. As you can see, it hangs down that much. Now this isn't a manufactured factory blade. This is purely a custom cut piece of steel, so I know that it's not titanium, it's not reinforced, it's not, you know, something that will last you if you were doing a bunch of parking lots, but basically, you know, we just do the storage. So our last one lasted us 5 years, so if we can get another 5 years out of this one, then that's a pretty good return, because the price for something like this versus paying for a manufactured cutting edge, they don't really compare. So that's why we did that, and we're at our yard here now. This is our yard. I don't know if I've ever shown it, maybe a couple clips, but basically we keep all our equipment here. There's our tractor and other dump truck, and then that's our work Tundra, work Duramax, and then just some trailers, and then we have our 8-ton utility trailer over there as well. So basically what I'm going to do is go ahead and get all this plowed out, get it cleaned up, and see how this blade works. The only downfall about taking this on the road is all the salt and gunk that get onto it. Really don't like to see it, so we'll probably call a wash guy and get them to come out and just get this off for us. Just get all the slush and like see all the buildup here, all the salt on the roads. It'll just eat everything if you don't get it off. It is supposed to be cold, and we are supposed to be getting some snow this weekend, so all right, now it's time we eat.